Each group is tasked with exploring how their chosen country or region implements the International Convention, SOLAS, MARPOL, and ISPS through national laws, providing insights into their maritime framework for Philippines, the Philippine Merchant Marine Rule and Regulation, or PMMRR, and Republic Act 9295 to ensure compliance with SOLAS, while MARPOL is implemented through the Clean Water Act, RA 9275, and Directive from the Maritime Industry Authority, MARINA. ISPS-related requirements are enforced by the Philippine Port Authority, PPA, to enhance port and maritime security.
In the USA, SOLAS is enforced through the Coast Guard regulation and the Code of Federal Regulation, MARPOL compliance, and governed by the Act of Prevent Pollution from the Ship, which integrated international standard into a national law, compliance in the handle through the Maritime Transportation Security Act, ensuring shipping and port operation. China incorporates the convention through the Maritime Safety Law for SOLAS, the regulation of prevention and control of maritime pollution from ship, for MARPOL, port, for securities ensure overseas in Ministry of Transport, or ISPS.
For Japan, SOLAS requirements are embedded in the Ship Safety Act, while MARPOL compliance is mandated through the Marine Pollution Prevention Act, and ISPS is upheld by the Port Security Act. To safeguard maritime infrastructures, Australia enforces SOLAS through the Navigation Act 2012, ensures MARPOL adherence by the protection of the sea, prevention of pollution from ships, Act, and addresses ISPS requirements under the Maritime Transport and Offshore Facilities Security Act 2003.
The European Union takes a unique approach, implementing SOLAS through EU-wide directives adopted by member states. MARPOL through the European Maritime Safety Agency (EMSA) and ISPS via Regulation EC number 725/2004 strengthens ships and the port security across its borders.
For an additional example, India integrates SOLAS provisions into the Indian Merchant Shipping Act, enforces MARPOL through the Merchant Shipping Prevention of Pollution by Oil, Rules 2002, and implements ISPS under the Directorate General of Shipping and other port security measures.
India enforced SOLAS through the Merchant Shipping Act 1958 as amended, which provides the legal framework for maritime safety. MARPOL is implemented via the Merchant Shipping Prevention of Pollution by Oil Rules, which establish standards for pollution prevention. The ISPS code is enforced by Directorate General of Shipping through circular and directives that mandate compliance with international security standards.
Singapore enforces SOLAS through the Merchant Shipping Act Cap 179, which outlines safety requirements for vessels registered under its flag. MARPOL provisions are incorporated into national legislation through the Prevention of Pollution of the Sea Act Cap 243, which addresses pollution prevention measures. The ISPS codes is implemented and monitored by the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore, MPA, ensuring the security of ships and port facilities.
South Korea implements SOLAS through the Maritime Safety Act, which ensures the safety of vessels operating under its jurisdictions. MARPOL is enforced by the Act of the Prevention of Marine Pollution, which incorporates international pollution prevention standards. The ISPS code is implemented through the Port Facility Security Law, which mandate security measures for maritime infrastructure and operations.